So the first exercise in our chest routine is going to be incline dumbbell chest press. We're going to aim for the top part of the chest. So I want to deep breath in, drive through the chest, try and focus on squeezing that chest muscle at the end point. If you feel your shoulders working, then you're doing it wrong. Exercise number 2 in our chest work is dumbbell close grip press. We want to keep them elbows tucked in. We want to drive through the center of the chest and squeeze hard at the end position. Try and have a little bit of bend in your elbows and focus on the chest and not your triceps. If your triceps are overtaking, you're doing it wrong. Exercise number 3 in our chest workout is incline dumbbell fly. Again, we're aiming for the top part of our chest. Slight bend in our elbows, slowly down eccentrically and concentrically squeeze in the center, squeezing the dumbbells together.